Everything's awesome with Jake.
Making Jello Popsicles.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be learning how to make super simple Jello Popsicles. First off, you're going to need to get a kettle, and you're going to need to turn all of the water boiled and fill it up to around 1 cup. There we go. All right. All right, now after this, we're going to get a package of Jello and sugar. 4th cup of sugar and 1 cup package of this. Wait, what? It all fell. Okay, now we pour this in the 1/4 cup of sugar in. Now we need our sugar. It's 1/2 cup, so probably around halfway. Now stir it until it all dissolves. Oh, it smells amazing. Now we just stir in 1 cup of cold water. So cold water now. So we need a cup.
Sit on the counter, baby.
Oh. Here it is. Right here, pour it all in. Now we're gonna mix it up. Still smells delicious. Now we gotta pour these into popsicle molds, which I have right here, for at least 4 hours, but overnight is preferred. So we're gonna pour them all into these popsicle molds right here. Alright, you're gonna need probably around 10 popsicle molds. You can do less, but I'm gonna use 10. I think that's a good number. And don't fill them up all the way, to the very, very top. Alright, now we need to fill in these 2. We have 4 left, so let's make 4 more. Alright, there we go. I think this is exactly for 4. So, here we go. Over or 10 exactly, I mean. Now that we've done this, we're gonna come back 4 hours later and check on the popsicles.
Okay, guys, now we have made the popsicles. Let's try them. Okay. It actually looks like a popsicle. Let me help you out here. Hold this. Don't try it yet. Oh, that smells good. 3, 2, 1. That's good. Dana, rated out of 10 on my Jello Popsicles. 10. I give him a 10 as well. I think this is really good. Well, anyways, that's all we got for now. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you next video. Bye.